So guys, good afternoon. I hope you are doing well. This morning, crude oil, both Brent and WTI hit average 180. The other one hit 190. You remember yesterday we were targeting 200 pips each. So 180, 190. So we're almost like 400 pips. Let me check it now to see where it is at the moment. And the 400 pips we expected to make about, we expected to make about $8,000 profit if we were using $20 contract. So currently it has that means it hit it has gotten 215 pips each. So now it means we have met our target for the oil. So we're expecting to make on $20 contract, you're gonna make $8,000, and $10 contract, you're gonna make about $4,000. Then why I'm emphasizing on this is to let you know how we do our own business. We treat trading as an investment. So we invest, set our risk, and expect our returns. It's time for us to scale up. If you are with us, you use this approach. This is how you can be profitable. We make our research, then we analyze, we invest, then we expect a return. So we will also be giving you more feedback about it. But in case you want to join us, our WhatsApp link is here. Please send us a link. Let's strike a deal and see how far we can go. This is what makes us profitable, because we treat our trading as an investment. Like someone was sending us message, was now talking about he was trying to differentiate himself from an investor. I told him a trader is also an investor. You're investing by yourself or for yourself, you know what I mean? So hit us on WhatsApp. Let's see how far we can go, and if we could be able to assist and strike any deal that could be profitable to you. You know what I mean? Yeah, you guys, thank you.